Now everyone, this one extension is not working. You can see there is no power. I'm going to repair this extension. In this video you can see this wire is little cut from here. You can see this wire is cut. So I'm going to open. So I remove the screws now. I'm going to remove the cover and check this. I'm going to check this wire with the multimeter. Multitester I'm checking. So this cable you see, this cable is okay. And the other wires, we'll check another wire. It is not showing. It's not showing in the meter. So the problem in the cable. I'm going to cut this cable from here, and I remove this whole piece of wire from there. So I remove the screws. After removing the screws, I remove this wire from there, the old one which is I cut from there with the iron, soldering iron. I'm removing this. So this is now I'm removing with the solder wire, and I will cut that wire and connect here with the iron, soldering iron again. This wire already I cut. I'm going to solder here at the same point. This is ground. That one first which I fixed, that is neutral wire. This is the last one, live wire. Now I'm going to test. Still the extension still not working. There is something else also. I'm going to check that. Still there is no power coming properly. So there is still something wrong. Not only that wire cut. I'm going to check with the meter whether the power is coming or not. So there is no power. No 2 AC volt not coming. Now I open the plug and checking this fuse. And this fuse is damaged. So I'm going to replace the fuse and check it again. I replace the fuse. This fuse is damaged. It's not showing. Now I bring another fuse. As you can see, this fuse is working. I'll fix this fuse in the plug. And I'll check again, reconfirm whether the cable is okay or not. So you can see this one, another one also okay. We are going to test now the extension. So you can see the text. Now there is light and power, and the extension is working fine. This is how we can fix the extension. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.